Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the latest update on BTC USDT withdrawal. Okay, previously I made a video in regards to this platform on their withdrawal update, which happens to be on 16th. They opened the withdrawal channel on 16th and they're asking people to deposit TRS. You can deposit TRS before they will allow you to withdraw. And then in that video, I stated that nobody should deposit until I confirm it myself to those following me. And then now that I finally confirm it, I am now making the video to tell you guys or to revert to you guys what I found out or what I discovered, if we are to go ahead and then place this withdrawal, or we are not to go ahead, or are we to go ahead and put in our money here to withdraw the money. Please find out in this video. So before we proceed, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is your first time you are coming across my channel, or first time you are hearing my voice, what I do on this channel is all about business, guys. I share business updates every day on this channel, how to make money online with your smartphone. So if you're an online hustler, you're interested in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to subscribe to this channel, and then make sure you are also in my WhatsApp group or you are in my Telegram group. At the end of this video, I'm going to be leaving our Telegram group link in the comment section. So after watching this video, go to comment section, use the link there to join our Telegram group, because we share update there and we have updates we are currently running. 5 updates we are currently running now that is paying massively, and those updates are totally free and 100% legit. Okay, so make sure you are in our Telegram group. The link is in the comment section. Now when you come to home, this is the BTCC platform, and then you can see the news here. USDT withdrawal channel is open since the bonus period. So when you click on withdraw here, you can see the select currency option, and then when you click on select currency option, you will see the USDT option here. So and then when you click on the USDT option, you will see the available USDT which you have. Then you enter the amount here. The maximum you're allowed to withdraw at a time is 800 USDT. And then when you enter this amount and then you click on submit, and then you input your password, you will see what they will write to you. You can see it. You need to buy 15.6 TRS, which is equivalent to 5 point something dollar. Imagine if 200 people paid 5 point something dollar for something that is a scam. Okay, I don't want to waste much of your time, guys, in this video. When I made video concerning this withdrawal update on this BTTC, truly they have paid. Me myself, I have benefited $7 from this platform by the mining option. But the problem is that they stopped paying the way they normally pay before, which means they are now broke. Because me, I will not lie, and I will not compromise. But this one, they're asking us to pay 15 TRS. That one is a scam. So I will not hide it from anybody, guys. I benefited from them, but that was through the mining option. But now they're asking us to pay money before we can receive our USDT. Please, if you're watching this video, do not pay, because someone has paid 100 TRS and immediately he paid that 100 TRS, they deleted his account. Not only him, one of my friend also, her friend paid the TRS. They did not only delete her account, they also removed her from the Telegram channel. So the moment you pay money, they will delete your account and they will remove you from the Telegram channel. So that is the reason why I want you all to know that we are not going to pay now, that we all should freestyle BTTC. If you are in my WhatsApp group, if you are in my Telegram group, the list of the 5 updates I have shared that is currently paying, all you need to do is to focus on those ones and then forget about BTTC, because they are now scam. This is a scam activity. How can a platform want to pay you and they're asking you to pay money before you can get the money? If they want to pay you and they want charges, what they should do is to take some percentage from that money they're paying you. So that is how to confirm something that is 100% legit. So this thing is not legit, guys. This information is coming directly from Sparky, aka Legit Boss. Please spread this video as soon as you get it, because a lot of people don't really know the truth and people are still depositing TRS because they have a lot of USDT on their dashboard. Now, like me, that I have over 1,605 USDT. Because of that, now I may be in a haste. I will be like, hey, I'll be in a haste that I want to withdraw it. And at the end of that week, I'll end up dashing them my $5 for nothing. So imagine if 200 people dash this 5 point something dollar. They are making money. So that's the reason why I said no. Please, if you're my follower, this platform is now confirmed scam, and then you should stay away from this platform. And may God bless you as you do so. However, I am not a financial advisor, but I am telling you based on what I have seen. In fact, look at your screen. That is one of the member that deposited, and he viewed my previous video and he complained at the comment section that he was scammed of 100 TRS. So convert 100 TRS to naira now, to dollar now. I know how much it worth. That's the amount he lost to this site, and I don't want that mistake to repeat itself again, guys. So you need to be very careful with all these platforms, and that is why I'm always telling my viewers, before you join any platform, the first thing you should do is to do research. Even if you don't know how to do research, that is why I'm here. Legit boss, you always bring the platform to me, I will do the review for you myself. So if it is legit, I tell you it's legit. If it is scam, I tell you it's scam. Before BTTC used to pay for mine, if you are in VIP6, you'll be getting $3 in a day. But now they are broke. They are now looking for a way to scam people. So that is it. They are turning to Ponzi. In fact, they are now Ponzi. So Ponzi means robbing Peter to people, and their own means or their own Ponzi itself is that they are not even robbing Peter to people, but they are ripping you off of your hard-earned money, and return the moment you pay, they delete your account and you don't have access to it again, and that is it. It is gone. So that is it, guys. Please stay away from this platform if you don't want to lose your money. And if you want to lose your money, you can still continue engaging yourself there. I will not advise you not to leave or to stay. So the decision is all yours, because Legit Boss is not a financial advisor. This content is intended for educational purpose only. And thank you. I believe you have gained value from this content. If you have gained value from this content, kindly like this video, share this video, and then don't forget, I said our Telegram group link is in the comment section. You can use the link there to join our Telegram group for more updates, and then make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates. Okay, thank you.